Welcome to Clips, a quick review of facts or factoids taken from our more in-depth videos. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a fun feature on this Italian Vetterli carbine. Let's actually take a look. Now, this is a handsome little single-shot carbine, but what I want to show you is all the way down at the rear. If we open up our trap, I want to show you the full-size, clearing/cleaning rod for this gun. So if we push this back forward, I said full size. And you can tell it's very compact. It fits right in here. And yet, I promise you that this is capable of reaching all the way down. Let me open that guy up so you can see. All the way down this long barrel. And yet, I only seem to clear half of it at the moment. How does it do that, you might ask? Well, with a little bit of engineering. So you may notice that there's a split line on this guy, probably hard to see with the camera. If we start at the end, we can, and there's even a satisfying detent. Let me see if you guys can hear that. Ooh. Now we have a full-length clearing rod, one that can go all the way down this barrel and appear at the other end. So I'm going to feed it in from the front. And we'll just see if we get, I've got room to spare. And yet, it fits nicely tucked away in the back end of the gun. Now, as neat as this is, I will say, if you're a clever sort of person, you can always find a secondary use for any given tool. So in this case, while not exactly spaghetti, yeah, perfect. Doesn't taste like rust at all.